Most people don't realize that the secret to glowing, youthful skin and flexible, pain-free joints might be sitting right on their dinner table. Yes, the foods you choose every day can do so much more than just fill you up. They can actually help your body build and protect collagen, the protein that keeps your skin smooth and your joints strong. Even your snacks, those little bites between meals, can play a huge role in how you look and feel. Imagine reaching for a snack and knowing you're helping your knees, your elbows, and even your smile stay youthful for years to come. So why not make every meal and snack an opportunity to nourish your body from the inside out? Let's munch our way to a more youthful, vibrant you, one delicious bite at a time. First up, let's talk about bone broth. This warm, comforting drink is like a spa day in a mug. Simmering bones for hours releases collagen, gelatin, and minerals that your body can use to repair skin, cushion joints, and even support gut health. Sip it on a chilly day or use it as a base for soups and stews. Your skin and joints will thank you. Next, don't overlook chicken, especially the skin. While many people avoid it, chicken skin is actually rich in collagen. Roasted, grilled, or baked, enjoying the skin in moderation can give your body the building blocks it needs for firmer skin and stronger joints. Salmon and sardines are superstars when it comes to both collagen and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients work together to keep your skin plump, hydrated, and elastic, while also reducing inflammation in your joints. Try adding these fish to your meals a couple of times a week for a delicious, beauty-boosting boost. Eggs and dairy products like cheese and yogurt are also fantastic for collagen production. The egg whites are packed with proline, an amino acid your body uses to make collagen, while cheese adds a creamy, satisfying touch to your meals. Together, they help your body build and maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails. Don't forget about citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Think of vitamin C as the wingman your skin needs. It helps your body turn amino acids into strong, flexible collagen fibers. Red and yellow vegetables like bell peppers and tomatoes are bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C. These nutrients help protect your skin from damage, support collagen production, and give your complexion a healthy, radiant glow. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or enjoy them raw for a crunchy, colorful snack. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are tiny but mighty. They're packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can break down collagen and speed up aging. Eating a handful of berries every day is a delicious way to support your skin and joints. Garlic isn't just for adding flavor to your favorite dishes, it's also a powerful protector of your collagen. Garlic contains sulfur, which helps prevent the breakdown of collagen and keeps your skin looking firm and youthful. Plus, it's great for your heart and immune system. Beans and cashews are plant-based powerhouses, sneaking in amino acids that your skin absolutely loves. They're also rich in zinc and copper, minerals that help your body produce collagen naturally. Toss them into salads, soups, or enjoy them as a snack for a satisfying, skin-loving crunch. Leafy greens, think spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are like wrinkle-fighting ninjas. They're loaded with chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase the precursor to collagen in your skin. Plus, they're full of vitamins and minerals that keep your whole body healthy and energized. When you fill your plate with these colorful, nutrient-rich foods, you're not just eating for today, you're investing in your future self. Every bite is a step towards smoother skin, stronger joints, and a more vibrant, energetic you. So don't be shy. Load up your plate with these collagen-boosting foods. Your future self will look back and thank you for the care you're giving your body right now. Remember, eating smart isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling great, staying active, and enjoying life to the fullest. So eat smart, stay young, and let your meals be your secret weapon for lifelong health and beauty.